Everyone, in this video I will be showing you how you can add the overlay in CapCut PC. Alright, I think this video is especially for those of you who are using CapCut PC for the first time. And for example, I'm select image to the track, which is the main clip, and how to add the overlay. You can put on top the clip, which is overlay. Alright. And you can add your photos, your videos as an overlay. You can also add a sticker as an overlay. You can select text as an overlay. You can select the animation here as an overlay. And for example, I have the video overlay, so which is this text overlay. Just drag and put on top the clip and merge it like so, and you can blending, just select mode of blend like so, and yeah, go. Alright, that's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any question, please let it in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching.